How to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to cancel an Uber Eats order. In order to cancel an Uber Eats order, you'll have to log into your account. I'm using a web browser. You could use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So basically, you have to go to the order section. So for that, tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side. Then you'll need to go to orders. As you go to orders, you have to go ahead and select your order that you want to cancel. So tap on help in the upper right corner of the order tracking screen and tap on the cancel order button. As you do that, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your order cancellation, and this way you'll be able to cancel an Uber Eats order. So this is how simple it is to cancel an order. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.